Harding Ger. The Mongolian Ger is the traditional dwelling of the nomadic peoples in Central Asia. The history of felt Gers, the residence of traditional Mongolia's ancient tribes in Amaks, dates back to about 3,000 years ago and has become a staple of Mongolian life. Medieval tourists stated in their records that the movement of the 13th century Mongol Ger cart is spectacular and appears as moving as a large city. The Mongolian Ger is best suited for the nomadic life. The structure and the design of Mongol Ger is very interesting. You can see many structural highlights such as its light, compact and durable design with unique architectural solutions. In modern times, Mongolians are continuously using Ger in their daily lives and creating different designs of Gers. Within this, Harding Ger brand team is developing and manufacturing traditional Mongolian Gers using the state-of-the-art technologies and solutions. Also is known for their uniquely designed traditional home furniture, felt quilted products, ceramics, felt paintings and 100% handmade embroideries. We as Mongolians have a responsibility to inherit and continue our national cultural heritage to this day.